What's up, guys? Welcome back. So last episode we were playing Minecraft. Today we will again. We're playing this world, and we actually are building our house, and we're getting light. We spawned in a swamp map. If you haven't watched it, go check out episode 1 right after this. Without further ado, let's jump right in to our world. Okay. In fact, I think that I'll be getting those pigs. Those pigs look really nice. Let's take this one. I need some of this spore. Sorry. Get back to the shelter. It's small, I know, but it's actually the most we've got right now. We don't have a lot. Started this world in episode 1. I really need a torch. Don't mind my dog. He's a good boy. Alright, we're gonna go looking for some coal. I believe we will be able to really easily find some down here. Yes. Whatever. That's what we can do right now. Some iron right there. I think we're gonna go ahead and get that. Mineshaft. Whoa, this isn't even spin. Here's zombies out soon. So, got enough stone. No, there's gotta be stuff. Seriously.
Tell me.
Yeah?
Not in the mornings. You can edit. I didn't see you could play video games.
Please, Mom?
No.
Okay, I'm just finishing up this. Easy to get out, but we didn't find any coal. So, coal right where there's light. I mean, seriously? Oh, yes! Right here. Got it. This is what I needed. And then we're out. Just need to get all this. No. That. Right, we're out. Sorry. It was fun, but we're seriously. Okay. See, now monsters can spawn in our house tree. craft a wood. Stick. Or some sticks are. Can I just craft a stick? Can't craft a stick, alright. Why can't I craft a stick? This is done.
Joe, turn it off, please. No, you
Love
aren't.
you.
Sit back. I asked you to turn it off.
I am real quick, hold on.
No, I am real quick. Hold on, it's not an answer. Turn it off.
Ladybug.
Love you.
Okay.
I ruined your video?
Yeah, we both did.
Off.